This companion video assumes that you've already watched the first video showing the negotiation from Claimant's point of view. Recall that Insurco is offering only £5,000 in response to Claimant's demand of £21,000. Let's see how the Smartsettle visual blind bidding process appears from Insurco's point of view. Both parties begin the process with visible concessions. Parties also enter secret bids, and if submitted early in the process, when costs are low, can afford to make them higher than otherwise, safe in the knowledge that they will never be revealed, whether they produce a settlement or not. Insurco knows about the reward for not holding back and moves their final secret bid to £15,000. Insurco would never offer this much in the open so early in the process, but since the bid is secret, Insurco can withdraw it easily without risk of revealing their strategy. But in this case, Insurco is delighted when Smartsettle declares the settlement to be £14,000. An insurance company with many cases may wish to analyze the data and create unique negotiation strategies for different case types, and automate the process to save handler time. For the scenario that we just watched, Insurco could have preset all their moves like this. The negotiation would have played out identically to what you just witnessed. Remember that the parties are in complete control of the process. No settlement can occur without their explicit authorization. And because the Smartsettle visual blind bidding process encourages early offers, close to each party's bottom line, the tedious negotiation dance that characterizes traditional negotiations is virtually eliminated. Smartsettle ONE promises better outcomes in a shorter time. For more information, please visit smartsettleresolutions.com. Thanks for watching.